wash out the old wallpaper with water. Next, clean the ceiling with a spatula. This is a preparatory process before painting the ceiling. You see, the ceiling is not even. It needs to be puttied. These irregularities are clearly visible in the level. I purchased a moisture-resistant putty. First putty start, then finish. We apply a primer to the ceiling with a brush before puttying. This is necessary for adhesion. We are waiting for drying. Add water to the mixture and mix it. The mixture should be like sour cream, for good contact with the ceiling. You can mix with a nozzle and a drill. I trimmed the ceiling, lay down with a spatula, wait a day and start painting. Before painting, we clean the surface of the ceiling with a spatula, or sandpaper, so that there are no abrasions, dents. I took a drill, a nozzle, sandpaper for delicate cleaning, and we clean it. The ceiling is now smooth. We begin to paint the ceiling. Use a roller. Paint for the ceiling and gently apply the paint with a roller. You need to adjust the paint with breaks in 2-3 layers at your discretion. Thank you all for your attention. Put likes and subscribe to the channel. All the best, goodbye.